Hi everyone and welcome to another edition of the Drug and Alcohol Attorneys video newsletter. In this video I want to talk to you about medically assisted treatment. Now I can tell you that 2 or 3 years ago I was actually speaking to a small group and it was around that time that the state had received some money from the federal government, and it turned out that that money that was coming to Florida was all going to medically assisted treatment. And candidly, I'll tell you, I was a little upset about it. I thought that some of that money should have been directed to more abstinence-based programs. Lord knows there are people that call us that just don't have the financial resources or insurance to get their loved one into treatment. So when I heard that, I was frankly a little frustrated. And when I was giving the chat to the small group, I told them, here in Florida, we got money, but we're giving it to medically assisted treatment, and we're not giving it to abstinence-based programs. And after I got done speaking, a mother came up to me and she said, I heard what you said about medically assisted treatment, and I'm going to tell you, I disagree with you. It saved my son's life. And I said, well, what do you mean? She said, well, I got him clean, and he's been on a maintenance program, Suboxone, I think it is what she was telling me about. And she said it's the only thing that saved his life. It's what enables him to not use anything else. And that really, that was a bit of an eye-opener for me. So here's what I'm going to share with you. And this is based on my experience with all the families, the hundreds of thousands of families we've spoken to. I'm always probably going to direct you towards an abstinence-based program. Those are the programs that we work with. Those are the ones we've seen the best results. But when it comes to substance use and even mental illness, there's no one size fits all. Every case is unique. Every individual is unique. And what I would say to you is, if you're a family, I think that you have to do what you have to do to keep your loved one in recovery, okay? I think you have to do what you have to do to make sure they don't end up in prison, they don't end up dead, they're not using street drugs. But I also think that needs to be combined with, some form of help. And what I mean by that is, if you look at people who've been in long-term recovery, they have a support system around them. They have a sponsor. They go to AA. They have access to perhaps a clinician they can talk to, or somebody they can chat with, that if they're having a stressful day. And Lord knows, with the times that we're in with COVID and the lockdowns, we've seen a significant increase just in the phone calls we're getting. So I certainly understand why people are really more apt to sort of relapsing and having issues with mental illness. But be that as it may, I think that you have to keep your loved ones in recovery, and I think you got to do what needs to be done. I'm certainly happy to chat more about this with you. I'm certainly appreciate all the emails I get. Some of you will tell me that you think I'm nuts, you disagree with me, and I frankly just appreciate the fact you even listen to the video. So those are my thoughts on medically assisted treatment. We're here to help you. Stay safe, be good to each other, and I'll see you in the next video.